پادکست روان انگلیسی روزانه یک موضوع پارت پنجم My favorite food غذای مورد علاقم. تو این پادکست قراره راجع به غذای مورد علاقم با هم صحبت کنیم. کاری که شما باید انجام بدید خیلی خوب گوش بدید و تکرار کنید. البته میتونید غذای مورد علاقه خودتون رو توی جملات جایگزین کنید. پس بریم. Hello everyone and welcome back to our podcast. This is our fifth session for beginners, and today we are going to talk about one of my favorite topics, food. Everyone loves food, right? We all have that one meal that makes us feel happy and comfortable. For me, that food is pizza. I know pizza is a very common choice, but for me, it's not just about the taste. It's also about the memories that come with it. I remember that first time I ate pizza. I was about 10 years old. My family and I went to a small restaurant near our house. The smell of the pizza was amazing. Warm cheese, fresh bread, and tomato sauce. When I took my first bite, I thought, wow, this is delicious. Wow, this is delicious. Since that day, pizza has been my favorite food. Whenever I eat it, I remember that happy moment with my family. It makes me smile every single time. Sometimes I like simple cheese pizza. Sometimes I like vegetable pizza with mushrooms and green peppers. But my all-time favorite is pepperoni pizza. I love how the cheese melts and the pepperoni becomes a little crispy. I don't eat pizza every day, of course, but when I do, I enjoy every bit. Sometimes I eat it with my friends while watching a movie. Sometimes we order it when we are too lazy to cook. It's always fun. I think food is more than just something we eat. It's a way to connect with people, to share happens, and to make memories. When we eat together, we talk, laugh, and feel closer to each other. So, my favorite food is pizza, not just because it's delicious, but because it reminds me of good times. And if you want to listen to more stories like these, make sure to check the full playlist on my YouTube channel. See you in the next episode. Now, it's your turn. What is your favorite food? Why do you like it? Tell me in comment. Goodbye.